Chapter 6 Test Question 1 for the sequence 81, 27, 9. Find the common ratio. The answer is C, 1/3. I'm going to give you all the correct answers for this one, but I'll tell you which ones to mark wrong. Question 2. Find T4 if Tn equals 2Tn minus 1 minus 2 and T1 equals 3. The answer is B10. Use the following information to answer question number 3 and number 4. A ball bounces to 65% of its previous height after each bounce. The ball is dropped from a height of 150 centimeters. What is the maximum height of the ball between the third and fourth bounce? For work on the side, write 150 times 0.65. The answer is B41. Question 4. What is the total vertical distance the ball travels from the initial drop until the third bounce at the bottom? The answer is C, 472. But pick a different answer. Pick B, 352, and mark that one wrong. Remember, that one's wrong. So pick B. Question 5. A veterinarian gives an initial dosage of 50 milligrams of penicillin to a dog. The dog metabolizes 40% of the drug every 6 hours. The owner gives the dog 25 milligrams pill every 6 hours. How many milligrams of penicillin are in the dog's system just before the dog owners administer the 5th dose? Mark this one wrong and put it as D, 60.88. The real answer is C, 35.88, but mark it as D. Question 6. Uranium decays about 5% a day. Find the half-life of uranium. The answer is D, between 13 and 14 days. Other side of the page is question 7. In sequence 3, 6, 12, which term is 3, 9, 3, 2, 1, 6? The answer is D, the 18th. Question 8. A branch fractal is created as follows. A vertical line length of 32 centimeters is drawn. At the midpoint at the top of this segment, 2 branches are drawn at 135 degrees to the stem, each half the length of the stem. This original process is repeated with each of the branches. For this one, write under iteration 1, write 16 over each sideways line of the 4 sideways lines, and then on the right side, below the sideways line, write 16, and then 16 for the bottom line that touches the bottom circle. And then this one is wrong as well, so put down A, 224 centimeters, which is wrong. The real answer is C, 480 centimeters. Question 9. 4 hemispherical bowls are made so that they can be nested for easy storage. The largest bowl has a radius of 30 centimeters, and each successive bowl has a radius of 80% of the preceding one. V sphere equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Determine the volume of the smallest bowl to the nearest centimeter. For work, write 24 as the half of the second biggest bowl, 19.2 is the half of the third biggest bowl, 15.36 is the half of the smallest bowl, and then your answer is C, 7,590. End of page 1, both sides.